Hey there, adventurers! Whether you're planning to spend time in the deep wilderness or just love the idea of being prepared for anything nature throws your way, one thing's for sure. You need the right knife by your side. But here's the catch. Not all knives are created equal. Bushcraft knives and survival knives, while similar, have different roles. And choosing the right one can make or break your outdoor experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of bushcraft versus survival knives. So let's gear up and hit the trail. Alright, first things first. What's the difference, and why does it even matter? Bushcraft is all about thriving in the wild, not just surviving. It's about mastering the environment, using what's around you to make tools, prepare food, and set up camp. A bushcraft knife is your trusty companion in these tasks. It's a refined tool designed for precision, allowing you to carve wood, prepare kindling, or even craft a fishing spear. In contrast, survival knives are your heavy-duty tools for emergencies. They're built for tough, unpredictable situations where you need to fight against the elements and get out fast. Imagine chopping through branches, splitting logs, or fending off threats. This is where a survival knife shines. It's your multi-tool of the wilderness, prioritizing durability over precision. Now, let's talk about design. Bushcraft knives usually have smaller blades, around 10 to 11 cm, perfect for delicate tasks like whittling or carving. These knives often feature a Scandi grind, which makes sharpening a breeze and is ideal for woodworking. In contrast, survival knives pack a punch with larger, heavier blades. We're talking 7 to 18 cm. This added length gives you the extra force you need for tougher tasks like chopping and batoning. Some survival knives even have serrated edges, giving them the versatility to cut through rope or tough materials in an emergency. The handles? Bushcraft knives focus on comfort, with materials like wood or micarta that are great for long, steady use. You can grip it for hours without fatigue. On the flip side, survival knives feature tougher materials like rubber or G10, ensuring a solid, non-slip grip even when things get wet or muddy. You'll need that firm control when conditions get rough. When you're out in the wild, you want a knife that's up to the task. Bushcraft knives are all about precision and control. Need to carve intricate traps, craft tools, or skin small game. These knives will feel like an extension of your hand, delivering smooth, controlled cuts, but don't expect them to chop large branches or hack through dense brush. On the other hand, survival knives are your go-to for brute strength. Think batoning through thick logs, cutting through vines, or even prying open a jammed container. These knives are built for the rough stuff. Sure, they might be a little bulky for fine detail work, but when you're up against the clock in a survival scenario, they'll get the job done. Here's where things get even more interesting. Blade materials. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, you know the thrill of a carbon steel knife. Carbon steel is strong, holds a sharp edge, and can handle heavy use, making it perfect for both bushcraft and survival knives. Whether you're building a shelter or splitting wood for a fire, carbon steel performs like a champ. The only catch? It tends to rust if you don't maintain it properly. But hey, keeping it sharp is part of the adventure. For those who want a low-maintenance option, stainless steel is another choice, though it's often seen as less durable. It resists corrosion, but may not be as tough under intense conditions. Lastly, let's talk about how you carry your knife. For bushcraft enthusiasts, nothing beats the classic leather sheath. It looks great, feels great, and adds a traditional touch to your gear. However, leather doesn't always hold up in wet environments. That's where modern materials like Kydex come into play. Lightweight, durable, and weatherproof, Kydex is a favorite for both bushcraft and survival knives. When it comes to survival knife sheaths, durability is key. You want something that keeps your knife secure, even in the roughest conditions. Kydex, or plastic sheaths with solid retention systems, are common in survival knives, ensuring that your tool is always within reach. Plus, Many survival sheaths come equipped with MOLLE attachments, belt loops, or even built-in sharpeners, making them versatile and ready for action. So there you have it. Bushcraft knives and survival knives each have their own unique strengths and serve different purposes in the wilderness. Bushcraft knives are your go-to for precision and detail work, while survival knives are built for heavy-duty tasks and durability in tough situations. The key is to understand your needs, where you'll be venturing, and what tasks you'll be facing. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more outdoor tips and gear reviews. Whether you're preparing for your next adventure or just want to learn more about the tools of the trade, we've got you covered. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring, stay safe, and always be prepared. This has been your guide to bushcraft versus survival knives, helping you pick the perfect blade for your next adventure. Stay wild, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next video.